This video will teach you how to go from zero to making a consistent $100,000 in 1 year. All you need is to follow this strategy that I will reveal in this video and one single skill of knowing how to copy and paste free photo. In case you don't know how to do that, don't worry, I will share that too. 3 minutes of work, $103,000 in a year. No experience, no technical knowledge required. Sounds exciting? Let's do it then. Oh, also, it's free to try and it's beginner friendly. You don't need to learn any extra new skill, no extra application or software required, and you can do it from anywhere in the world without investing a single penny. Sounds amazing, right? The best thing is you can withdraw your money anytime you want with PayPal, Stripe, Bitcoin, or any other popular payment method. But before we begin, make sure you don't skip any part of the video and watch it till the end, as every step is important if you want to make consistent money using this system. Yeah, that's what it takes to make money online. Number 1, paying close attention to those who are getting the result. And number 2, follow the footsteps of our role model. Our today's role model is someone who just copy-paste free photos. I can vouch for what they do because we do this a lot. And when you finally have learned the strategy, you can make money the easy way and the right way. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. We upload money-making videos daily, and trust me, you wouldn't want to miss the next one. Also, share this video with your friends and family so they can benefit as well. Every day I open the internet, YouTube, Facebook, and see some websites, channels getting millions of visitors by talking about celebrities' awkward moments, talking about their dogs, or reviewing a product. I'm talking about a specific type that does nothing but copy and paste free photos, and one little trick that we are about to share with you. In the past, I used to think, who wanted this copy-paste information? But guess what? A lot of people do. We learned this after a lot of struggle. But don't worry, you don't have to struggle. We will show you everything in this video for free. Here is an example. Check how this channel went from 50, 60 to 100 views to earning $103,000 per year. And this is just an estimate. They are making a lot more than this on their channel. You can do it too using our premium software, which is absolutely free for you, our viewers. You can find the link in the description below. Check to the end of the video and we will show you how this software will get you $103,000 income online. One honest note, you are very unlikely to make $103,000 today, but you will start making a consistent income stream with the strategy that our today's role model is using and making 6 figures. Hello, my name is Mosh Bari and I have been online since 2010 and currently running a 7-figure per year software company. We have 100,000 plus happy clients, customers, and users worldwide. But this was not always the case. We had to struggle in the beginning. I tried every method, software, and program imaginable to make money online. I spent hours in front of the computer, wasted a lot of money on useless stuff, and didn't see any real progress. But things changed when I discovered that I was not putting effort into something that others like to see. I was doing what I thought others like to see. So all my effort went in vain and I failed to make money online. This realization hit me hard and I came on the right track. In fact, I was putting more effort back then than what I am doing now, because now I let my software do all the hard work. Well, smart, I would say, to make money with little to no manual input. Let's focus on you making money right now. This is exactly what happened to this YouTube channel called Vix. Did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family, all your social media connections, so everybody learns how to make money online. And you'll get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Moving on. Now, they are making $103,000 making 3-minute videos like Diana's sleeping moment using nothing but copying and paste. If you look closely, this video is nothing but a collection of old photos, free photos, and a little text and background music. Everything is freely available on the internet, and this video can be made within minutes using our application Epic that you are getting free today from the link in the description. So if you go to Vic's channel and sort their videos from oldest to newest, the first video is from 2017 and they have only 104 views. Even their first 10 videos haven't crossed 1000 views till today. No one saw their videos in the beginning because they were putting their effort making videos daily, but viewers were not interested to see their content. And that's the secret sauce. Give people what they want and they will love you for it. You see, Vix has 19 million total views on their channel, out of which 10 million views came from one single video that we are talking about here in this video, Diana Sleeping Beauty Moment. As you can see, Princess Diana has around 80 million search volume on YouTube, which means this channel made the video for this huge pool of 80 million searchers. This little change made all the difference of 10 million views in just one video. Then Vix realized they were releasing videos daily but were getting little to no views. They changed their strategy and started to make videos that people are actually interested in. And I have a good news for you. We built our software Epic to make this kind of video just by copying and pasting. And it's free for my YouTube viewers. Go get it from the link in the description. Now, let me show you how you can start making this type of video using copying and pasting and make money using our application Epic. First, choose a hot topic of your choice from Google News. Start a new video. Copy the link of a photo and paste it in the application right here. Play around a little bit with moving and rotating. Make it large or small to your taste. Copy text from anywhere, paste it right here and get it rewritten by the software artificial intelligence or use the spinner. This way you can turn other people's content into your content legally without spending time and money on content writing. If you want to add voice over, go to the sound section and click here, paste your text and let the software create natural voice over for you. Repeat the process until you are satisfied. Add as many bite-sized tiny videos as you want. You can make them longer as well. Your choice. You can save the work to come back anytime to finish your project whenever you want. Once you are done, click the render button and the application will create the video in the background. You will get an email notification once the video is ready. Download the video and upload the video to YouTube or Facebook or anywhere you want, or directly upload it to YouTube from the application, and those social media sites will send you views, traffic, leads and customers. Make sure to check out the link in the description to get started our video creation software. And thanks for watching. But I have a question for you. Did you like this video? If you like this video, or if you didn't like this video was made so you can make money online. So please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button and share this video with your friends and family, all your social media connections. This way, not only you will learn how to make money online, but you help others learn how to make money online. And you will all get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.